Me Warner, certified by WeatherRate for the most accurate forecast in the Ozarks.
You know, at 6 o'clock this evening, we had some light showers moving in, but that was just the first little salvo of what is now a wet night in Springfield. A steady rain has now set in. It moved in around 8:30 to 9 o'clock this evening, and while it is not heavy, it is steady and it will continue throughout the overnight hours. So a wet night is underway. We find that also to be true over much of the rest of southwest Missouri and northwest Arkansas. Now, in particular along I-49 west into Kansas and northeast Oklahoma, we've got some areas of heavy rain in there and some thunder and lightning as well. I'm not worried about severe weather with this. I am worried, though, that we could have some pockets of very heavy rain and heavy rain totals that could lead to some localized flooding. Areas like Neosho and Anderson getting some decent rainfall rates at this time. Looking at what radar is estimating so far, you can see again the bullseye for heavy rain so far is in this zone. Radar estimating maybe totals of 3.5 inches with this core of heavy rain. And with the heavy rain that's gotten into Newton and McDonald counties, we may have amounts of 1 to 2 inches so far. In Springfield, just a few 100ths, but we will be adding to that tally throughout the night tonight. So what's going on? Well, we've got this pocket of upper level energy. That's one contributor to the rain that we're finding out there this evening. But we've also got this low level jet. These are the stronger winds just off the surface. That's starting to crank up. And at the nose of these things, typically that is a focus for rain and thunderstorm development. And that's exactly what we're finding this evening over northeast Oklahoma and southeast Kansas. And I think because of the way the features are oriented, I think it's going to be areas on the southwest edge of this area of rainfall that will be favored for thunderstorm activity and also favored for maybe the heavier rainfall totals out of this event. Looking at our forecast overnight tonight, notice how that area of rain expands over southwest Missouri and northwest Arkansas. It continues to expand off to the east and northeast through sunrise on Wednesday. Now, I think we're still looking at maybe a steady rain here along Highway 65, but during the morning, that steady rain will give way to light showers, and then during the afternoon, just some spotty light showers, and they'll be fading off to the east as well. And maybe by late afternoon, some peaks of sunshine to be had here west of Highway 65, and we may find some of that before sunset here in Springfield as well. Rainfall totals, I want, when you look at this, to get the general idea. The general idea is that most of the area, especially east of Highway 65, will have some rain, but amounts will be much lighter, generally under ½ inch. West of Highway 65, particularly here over southwest Missouri, northwest Arkansas, that's going to be a zone where we may see a general 1 to 2 inches of rain. And there will be pockets in there that could see as much as 2 to possibly over 3 inches of rainfall. Temperatures tonight, cooling into the low 60s. Highs tomorrow because of the clouds lingering, maybe only in the upper 60s to the east, low to mid 70s to the west. Rain opportunities will continue into the weekend. On Thursday, I think it's going to focus in the late afternoon and evening time frame. Friday, maybe on and off during the day. Saturday looks generally dry, but overnight Saturday night, I think we are going to have a wave of showers and thunderstorms. I talked about this last night. It looks now like the way things are coming together, the risk of stronger storms may be just west and northwest of our area, but that activity is going to try to spill into our area late Saturday night into Sunday morning. After that system moves through, we're going to get back to our fall ways with a nice start to early next week with mild temperatures and hopefully some sunshine.
All right. I know I can't stump you very often. You know what a corn devil is?
I didn't. I don't know.
Here we go.